Hello friends, welcome to my channel. It's Julie here with new amazing hairstyle tutorial 1920s. I will show you how to do hairstyle for 1920s, which actually was doing on their short hair for middle hair. My hair is like near this length, and as you see I have no problem to change my mood outfit and travel a little bit in time to 1920s for two short hairs. I will do in this video I will show very close-up video how I'm making this wave, and you will see in details actually how to receive this amazing result. So keep watching friends, don't forget to like. For curl my hair, I'm using foam roller set. I will add a link how I'm doing this in description of the video, but I'm using it on a little bit wet hair to make my curls more straight. And here the most longer parts is coming, the brush. To brush out the very teeny curls, you need to do this long, very gently to not hurt your hair, and use the soft brush. It's hard to do because they very curly, very little curls, and it's really hard to do, so you need to be very gently and no rush here. I'm doing the side parting like always, and starting to use the teasing brush to make the shape. So after brushing with the soft brush, I'm using teasing brush to make the shape. After our curls plus minus laying in plus minus one direction, I'm starting to create this main thing, our waves. I'm doing this with the fingers and a red tail comb, and trying to, you see, I'm every little piece of hair trying to make lane in one direction to make one waves. After I'm happy with result, I'm using duckbill clips, little ones, because if you're using long ones, they can be weightful and putting your hair down. So I'm using little ones, and before I will cover everything with the spray. Starting to work with their other side and back part. Here more simple, because actually the biggest part is that side. After I brushed very good and with the teasing brush smooth the waves, I'm using bobby pins to make the hair short actually. I'm just rolling hair under and fixing with their bobby pins. Trying to do everything in one way lane. it's done. Covering with a lot of spray, like always. First lay, then dry, second lay, then dry, third lay, and our hairstyle is ready. If you will be very gently, this hairstyle for my hair, it can be with me like 3 or 4 days even. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me and don't forget to like this video. See you soon.